Welcome friends. That you can see a phone in my hand. This phone model is Vivo V21e. This phone model is Vivo V21e. Now today I'll show you how to give a OTG connection to Vivo V21e phone. And to give OTG connect, I have to take a OTG first, then I have to take a card reader, then I have to take a memory. Now I will use it on the phone. I will connect it with the card reader, then I will connect it with OTG, and then I will unlock my phone. Scroll up, my phone is unlocked. Since I will use OTG on the phone, that's why I will connect it nicely with the phone. I will connect OTG, but my OTG file is not showing display. And then showing how to connect, turn on OTG option. Scroll up the display and showing menu option, find settings option. I will click on settings. I will click on settings, show a new page. I will click on settings, show a new page. And many options showing. About phone, this phone model is Vivo V21e, and press back, and show Bluetooth and device connection, and I will click on Bluetooth and device connection and showing a OTG option. Just I will turn on this option. When I will turn on this option, my OTG is working. My OTG is working, and when I pull down the display, showing my OTG files. Press back and pull down the display, showing my OTG file, MXT USB drive. When I click on this option, showing my memory card files, click on just once. This is my memory card file. This is my OTG memory card file, and press back and again pull down the display, click on this option and just once. This is my memory card file. And you can use the same way if you want to use the pen drive. Just I will remove the card reader and then plug in the pen drive. Wait few seconds. Pull down the display and showing pen drive file. USB drive, this is pen drive file. Click on USB drive, click on just once, showing my pen drive file. This is my pen drive file. And click on back, pull down the display, showing USB drive. This is my pen drive file. And you can use the same way if you want to use this phone. Just remove this pen drive and connect your phone. When connect this phone mouse is showing the display. Wait few seconds. Mouse cursor is showing now display, and just click on dial pad, and this one is mouse supported and OTG supported. Vivo V20